The purpose of this video is to illustrate how the Hedgehog tool can be used to prioritize clinical care. I will show this using a demo dataset, and then I will show you how to upload other datasets so that these analyses can be done for data within your own clinic. The Hedgehog app can be accessed using the following link: crablab.shinyapps.io/hedgehog. The first plot that will appear is the Hedgehog plot based on a demo dataset. Here, each of the lines represent the rates of progression for one eye within the clinic. On the y-axis, we have the mean deviation, and on the x-axis, we have the age in years. We are able to zoom into the individual data by clicking on one of these lines. A second plot will now appear where each of the lines represent the progression rate for each eye for that individual. Additional information, such as the patient ID, the number of visual fields taken, and the length of follow-up, is shown in the top left corner. In addition, we can get the loss of sight years, which is the estimated number of years that the patient will experience statutory blindness within the expected remaining lifetime, as well as the slopes for the left and right eyes. This number here represents the ranking based on the progression rates for each eye within the clinic. We can then separate the eyes using this drop-down menu. If we select all, these lines will be presented in different colors. Here, green represents the stable progressors, gray the slow, orange the moderate, and red the rapid progressors. Again, we can click on one of these lines and this will zoom into the individual data, and we can see all of the same features that we saw earlier. We can then look at other data such as just the stable progressors or the rapid progressors. I will now illustrate how to upload your own dataset so that you can use these same analyses using data from your own clinic. If we scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on the Choose File, this will give us the option of uploading a new dataset. Once it's uploaded, the first few lines will be printed. The variables we need are the ID, the eye tested, the date of birth, the date of exam, and the mean deviation. Note that the data needs to have the same headings and be in the same format as shown here. We can then scroll up, and if we go back to Hedgehog, we can then update data after upload, and this will update the Hedgehog plot using the new dataset. We can then select any of the options, for example, the slow progressors, and then we can look at the different individual data points.